Evening gown competition.
Miss Ilocos. Miss Ilocos would rather avoid arguing in hostile situations, choosing instead to be considerate and official.
As a Ilocana, she thinks it's important to think first of your sake and safety without hurting others. With a heart and mind in tune, she doesn't need a big
Miss Ilocos. Miss Ilocos challenges herself to do things outside her comfort zone by joining
and Seller are candidates in their fabulous evening gowns. Congratulations also to our local designers for bringing out the best in these ladies. Palakpakan tayo mga Rosuda Apo. And now to get ahead of the pack, our candidates have to go through rigorous challenges. They have already outlasted each other in our pageant preliminaries held in the past days, and they paraded in their swimsuits last April 30 during the Himalas sa Buhangin Music and Arts Festival.
And I'm proud to say that I personally witnessed them during the preliminary swimsuit competition, Ancher. Our ladies were truly incredible in their performances. In addition, candidates were also scored during their pictorial last April 26 at Saud Beach, Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte.
And indeed, me too, Keena. And in all of these preliminary challenges, our candidates had to score as high as 10 to earn enough points.
I must say, the road to Miss Ilocos Norte 2019 is not a breeze, Ancher. But our candidates need to keep their confidence and grace to stay in the game. I'm so excited to witness candidates come back on this magnificent stage. But before that, let us introduce first our panel of judges this evening.
Our first judge is a fast-raising, in-demand fashion designer who hails from Kasukin, Ilocos Norte. He has worked for various artists and celebrities and has designed for big pageants in the metro. A fashion design student of Slim's School of Arts and Fashion, affiliated with Designer Circle Philippines and Sunflower Organization, also known as the famous Ira Bailon. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jeff Tabon.
Our second judge is among the most celebrated professionals in the field of medicine in the province, one of only few who are considered as pediatric pulmonologists in the province. She is the owner of the Pulmo Healthcare Clinic found in Luwag City. Please welcome one of the most in-demand physicians and specialists in this part of Ilocania, a certified member of the Ilocos Norte Medical Society, Dr. Jomari A. Gambiao Granada.
Our next judge is a graduate of Mariano Marquez State University and currently working as an operating room nurse in London, United Kingdom. A caring nurse by profession, but a creative designer at heart. He once collaborated with Asher Levin, an international fashion designer in New York, and specifically patterned a costume or dresses for Nicki Minaj. Ladies and gentlemen, the dear and generous Mr. Mark Anthony Sanchez Pablico. Welcome back. Welcome home.
Our next judge is an Ilocana artist and the brain behind the famous brands Aditos and Artistics, one of the first two Filipino artists featured in the first mosaic art company, Mosaico. She was featured in several leading newspapers such as Philippine Star, Manila Bulletin, Tribune, and Philippine Panorama for her quality and work of loads done. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Angeli Banaag.
Our next judge finished his Masters of Engineering major in Electronics Engineering at St. Louis University, Baguio City, and now a faculty of the College of Engineering Mariano Marquez State University, a coach for Mr. and Miss MMSU in the regional and national competitions. Ladies and gentlemen, Engineer Lawrence John C. Tagata.
Last but not least, She is the General Manager of the Remedial Enterprises and the Director of the Club of Ilocos Norte, a Social Development Committee member of the Provincial Development Council of the Provincial Government of Ilocos Norte, the humble wife of the ever-supportive Mr. Ryan Remedio. Ladies and gentlemen, to sit as the chairman of the Board of Judges, the very beautiful Mrs. Ana Carmela Ventura Remigio.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, judges for tonight's preliminary competition. And of course, I would also like to thank our dear sponsors for making this night even possible. Alright, thank you very much to Globe Energy Development Corporation,
High Factor, Mitsubishi Ilocos,
Surety Ilocos, Kingfisher,
North Beach Camp, Smoke Bar and Resto.
Also thank you to Chowking Lawag Central, Fort Ilocania,
Lead Your Travel Sen,
Let's Clothing, Marca Design, and EAD by Dennis Raquiza. And of course, I would also like to thank Jansen Seneca for my outfit tonight. How about
and
you,
also
Keena?
me, Amor Albana for my dress.
Alright, and the atmosphere here at the Capitol grounds gets even more festive as we are now about to give you another run of the La Milagrosa Joyful Symphony of Lights.
Be amazed at the Ilocanas' ability to blend the new with the old, mix in the classic with the contemporary, and always with outstanding results.
Enjoy the show.
Welcome to the Ilocos Norte Provincial Capitol and to the La Milagrosa Provincial Fiesta. Experience the capital as it shines at its brightest with a medley of songs that celebrate our magnificent culture, heritage, and undying faith. This is the La Milagrosa Joyful Symphony of Lights.
once again the La Milagrosa Joyful Symphony of Lights. And of course, for the Miss Ilocos Norte 2019, once again, we'd also like to thank our sponsors,
Globe Energy Development Corporation, High Factor, Mitsubishi Ilocos, Charity Ilocos, Kingfisher, North Beach Cab, and Smoke Bar and Restaurant.
Also, thank you very much to Chowking Lawag Central, Fort Ilocania, Later Travel Agency, also the Travel Set Travel Agency, Let's Clothing, Marca Design, EAD by Dennis Raquiza, and of course, La Preciosa, Spam, and Arabella Events Place. Once again, thank you very much. And everyone, whenever you have to post anything on social media, your photos, videos, and of course, by giving your all-out support, please do not forget to use the hashtag MIN2019. At syempre, ang Ilocos hashtag I'm in, hashtag Ilocos Norte, pwede nyo po yan gamitin. And of course, we'll also be witnessing the awarding of the lucky winners or the recipients of the different corporate awards later on, handpicked by our sponsors themselves. Thank you very much. Our 23 hopefuls are ready to yet another round of the competition. Today, witness as these ladies pay homage to the revered image of the La Virgen Milagrosa de Vado, patroness of the province through fashion and the arts.
Inspired by the fragrant flowers offered in the Thanksgiving to Mama Mary, we give you our 23 hopefuls in this year's Terno competition. This lady from Adams is wearing a gown inspired by the aurora flower designed by Marguerite Keena. She is escorted by Mr. Elvis Joshua Romero. Ladies and gentlemen, Queen of Angels, Miss Adams.
Miss Bahara. Queen of Contesters, Miss Bacala, Tiffany, and Maneha Gakuy-Kuy. Miss Bacala is wearing a gown inspired by the Calachuchi flower designed by Amor Albano. She is escorted by the handsome Mr. Eric John Dibiega. Once again, Queen of Contesters, she is Miss Bacala.
Our next candidate is our Maid of Heaven, Miss Madam Alicia Maid Olarde. Miss Madam is wearing a gown inspired by the water lily, gown designed by Daniela Iglesia. She is escorted by the handsome Alain Lau. Once again, Maid of Heaven is Miss Madam. Is wearing a gown that depicts the blossoming Alkawati designed by Jansen Seneca, joined by Mr. John Joshua Manalo. Ladies and gentlemen, Our Lady of Providence, Miss Masuri.
For Our Lady of Light, Miss Pitty, Switzel May Piglo. Inspired by the sunflower flower, she is wearing a creation by Jenny Lau, escorted by very handsome Stuart Ocampo. Let's give a hand for Our Lady of Light, Miss Pitty.
Miss Pinili. Gracing the center stage now is representing the Queen of Heaven, Miss Pinili Jennifer Marubro. This girl from the chosen town is wearing a creation by black silver inspired by the flower baby spread. Escorted by Jed Ashley Makakulo. A round of applause for our Queen of Heaven, Miss Pinili.
Miss San Nicolas. Next on the center stage is Queen of Families, Miss San Nicolas Kimberly Mamintuan. Miss San Nicolas is wearing a Shiva Saliganan creation of the sunflower, escorted by Estorel de la Cruz. Ladies and gentlemen, Queen of Families, Miss San Nicolas.
Miss Sarah. Strutting her stuff on stage is our Lady of Charity, Miss Sarah Prashosa, or Lady Mayor. Miss Sarah is wearing a thermal reflecting the Gumamela flower by Johnson Seneca. She is escorted by Mr. Rolando Archeta. Let's give it up for our Lady of Charity, Miss Sarah.
Miss Sorsona. Presenting the Queen of Virgins, Angeline Bea de la Cruz. Miss Sorsona is wearing a Reverend Valencia's version of the marigold flower, strutting with grace and bravura, escorted by Mr. Wendell Enriquez. Hail to the Queen of Virgins, Miss Sorsona.
Miss Vintar. And our last candidate to grace the stage is Queen of the World, Miss Vintar Serena Diana Llano. This lady from the mighty town of Siwawer is wearing an award of battle creation inspired by the Irish flower. She is escorted by Mr. J.D. Gallo. A round of applause for our Queen of the World, Miss Vintar.
gentlemen, the Miss Ilocos Norte Terno presentation. Let's all give a big round of applause to our candidates and to their designers as well. Alright? You all deserve an applause for that. And this time, it's our turn to give our thunderous applause to the ladies who shined out in the eyes of our dear corporate sponsors. We are now ready to reveal our special and corporate awards. Let's start with Miss Travel Scent. The recipient or the winner of this award will receive a hotel accommodation at Marian Hotel, Puerto Princesa, Palawan for 3 days and 2 nights. This will be presented by Miss Gaze Dudulao and Alan Reggie Lastimosa. Our Miss Travel Scent is Miss Big. Once again, thank you very much to Travel Scent for sponsoring the said award. Oh, Miss Petit will be enjoying, of course, the hotel accommodation at Marian Hotel. Will be in Puerto Princesa, Palawan, 3 days and 2 nights. Wow. I wonder kung sino kasama niya doon. Maybe in a loving her, of course. Once again, congratulations, Miss Petit, or Miss Travel Scent.
Next off is our Miss Sulit Pinoy American Meals will receive a gift certificate, lunch or dinner at San Pauay. And our Miss Sulit Pinoy American Meal.
And of course, this award will be presented by Mr. Paulo Aragosa.
Again, our Miss Sulit Pinoy American Meal is Miss Sarat.
Thank you very much. Once again, Sparrow. And of course, congratulations to Miss Sarat, our Miss Filipinoy American Meals. Also, we have Miss I Factor. The winner of this award will receive a gadget kit with the Kia 7 Plus Android smartphone and of course, Share Tea gift certificates. And this award is presented or will be presented by, of course, Mr. Ancher Cua. Our Miss High Factor is Miss Bado. Yes. Once again, thank you very much, High Factor. And of course, to Mr. Ancher Cua. Congratulations, Miss Bado, for winning the award of Miss High Factor.
Next off is our Miss Kingfisher. Will receive a gift certificate of 2-room nights at Kingfisher Resorts and will be
presented by Mr. Mon Manolo.
And our Miss Kingfisher is Miss Burgos.
Once again, thank you very much, Sir Mon Manotot of Kingfisher. Also, we have our Miss La Preciosa. Miss La Preciosa will receive a gift certificate for its choice of lunch or dinner at La Preciosa. This award will be presented by Mr. Paulo Aragosa. And our Miss La Preciosa is none other than Miss Lawag City. Congratulations, Miss Lawag.
And our next corporate award is Miss Nampog Mitsubishi. Will receive a gadget kit with a Kia 7 Plus Android smartphone and also a Sharpie gift certificate that will be
presented by Mr. Ancher Cua.
And our Miss Nampog Mitsubishi is Miss Bucky.
And now we have Miss North Beach Camp. The winner will receive a gift certificate course good for 2 room nights at North Beach Camp. And this will be presented, of course, once again, Mr. Mon Manoto. Our Miss North Beach Camp is Miss Sarat.
She will receive a gift certificate, lunch or dinner at La Preciosa.
The award will be presented by Mr. Paulo Aragosa.
And our Miss Arabella Events Place is Miss Burgos.
We also have Miss Share T, who will receive a gadget kit with Nokia 7 Plus Android smartphone and Share T gift certificates. This award will be presented by Mr. Ancher Cua. And now our Miss Share T is Miss Curimao.
Next up is our Miss Smoke Bar and Restaurant. She will receive a gift certificate, lunch or dinner at Smoke Hawaii.
This award is again presented by Mr. Mon Manoto.
And our Miss Smoke Bar and Restaurant is Miss Bunky.
Congratulations. And now we also have Miss Chowking. The winner will receive a gift certificate for his meal at Chowking Lawag Central. This award will be presented by Mr. Genesis Lianes. And our Miss Chowking is Miss Sunny Pedas.
For this evening is Miss Globe. She will receive a Globe Home Wi-Fi. And our Miss Globe is Miss Lawag.
The award will be presented by, of course. Thank you very much, Lord.